how to log in to Among Us. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Among Us application on your device. If you do not have the application, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once opened, you will receive a Terms and Conditions pop-up. Tap on the I understand option. You will then be asked to enter your Apple ID password. So, go ahead and enter that. Once entered, you will be required to enter your date of birth. So go ahead and enter the month, day, and year of your date of birth. Once entered, tap on the Submit button. An age confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Yes if the age you entered is correct, and this is how you can log in to Among Us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.